What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you some of the best and most interesting features of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. I'm actually going to be showing you all of these features using my phone over here that is currently being connected to my Redmi Watch 5 Active, particularly because so that you can see all of these features better using the smartwatch app, which is the Mi Fitness app. Now, as one of the best budget-friendly smartwatches that is packed with tons of interesting features, one of the most interesting features of the Redmi Watch 5 Active is the ability for you to change your watch face or your background on the Redmi Watch 5 Active smartwatch. With the Manage Watch Faces option on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you can go ahead and set any custom wallpaper or custom watch face for your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So you can even set your own picture as the wallpaper for your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Over here, there are tons of watch faces you can actually select from. Just go ahead and click on Apply, and this particular watch face will be installed into your Redmi Watch 5 Active. As you can see, it is already installing into my Redmi Watch 5 Active. Once it is done, you can also go ahead and set your own photo as wallpaper for your Redmi Watch 5 Active as well. To do that, you basically just want to click on the All option at the top, and then from this page, you just want to go ahead and look for the custom option from all of the list of categories we have over here. You can literally see I have custom. Go ahead and select that, then click on any of these options from over here. What you want to do is to click on the custom photo, and then this is actually going to access your phone's gallery. In my case, I will select picture over here, then proceed to select any picture of my choice, and then just click on the continue button at the bottom, click on apply, click on download, and automatically this particular watch face or photo will be downloaded and also installed into my Redmi Watch 5 Active. So as you can see, it has just installed this particular watch face, and I can also delete it anytime I want directly from over here. In addition to the watch faces and background changing feature of your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you can actually also change the watch face or background picture of your Redmi Watch 5 Active using the smartwatch itself. So over here from the home page of the smartwatch, if you long press on the home page, it automatically allows you to be able to switch to any of these watch faces easily just using the smartwatch. So you can go ahead and select this. You can also long press on it again and then select any other watch face you want directly from over here. With the Redmi Watch 5 Active, you can actually receive all of your social media messages and notifications from your phone to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you come over to notifications and calls option over here, go over to apps notification at the top. Make sure that app notification at the top over here is actually turned on, and then you just want to scroll down, select custom. You can now proceed to enable any of these applications listed over here so that they can send messages and notifications from your phone to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. I can go ahead and enable this for WhatsApp and Facebook, so I can turn on Facebook, and I can also go ahead and enable this for WhatsApp as well on my phone. And automatically, once you turn on or enable these notifications for specific apps on your phone, you should also be able to receive all of those messages and notifications on your Redmi Watch 5 Active as well. Another thing you can actually do is to make and receive calls. So with your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you can actually make and receive calls directly once it is actually connected with your phone. You can just go over to the list of apps over here, look for the call icon, and then just proceed to call any number of your choice, and automatically this particular call will also be made on your phone as well. In that same way, you should also be able to receive calls whenever they come to your phone using just your Redmi Watch 5 Active. And again, you can also go ahead and set custom messages for your Redmi Watch 5 Active as well. So under the calls and notifications menu over here, if you come over to incoming call, you can actually customize quick response or quick replies for anyone that calls you using the Mi Fitness app on your phone. So if you come over to the reply with message option and just toggle this on by clicking on allow, you can now go ahead and set quick messages. So you can come over here and then just select quick response, and then just select any of this option you want to be set as the custom quick response for your Redmi Watch 5 Active. You can as well just change the text or quick response. So if you come over to edit at the bottom, you can actually just edit your quick response and then save it. And once this is saved using the Mi Fitness app on your phone, from your Redmi Watch 5 Active, whenever there is calls, you can just send any of the quick messages you want to be sent to anyone that calls you. Also keep in mind that when making calls, you don't have to worry about bad audio coming from the smartwatch, because over here you can literally see there is a built-in speaker, and just at the bottom there is also a built-in microphone for the smartwatch, and the quality from This speaker is actually very good, so whenever you're making call, you should be able to properly hear the person you're making call with and also properly speak with the person without having any problem. Another interesting feature of the Redmi Watch 5 Active from the Mi Fitness app over here is the ability for you to find your phone. So take for instance, if you actually misplaced your phone or your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you can actually use your phone to find your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you click on the system option over here, you're going to see the find device option. Just go ahead and click on it and then just click on find device at the bottom, and automatically your Redmi Watch 5 Active will start to make a noise, enabling you to be able to find it wherever it is. Keep in mind that the Redmi Watch 5 Active smartwatch over here actually comes with all of the interesting and useful fitness and health features. So if you click on fitness and health over here, you can literally see that we have the heart rate, and over here we have simultaneous monitoring, we have the high heart rate, there is the low heart rate monitoring feature as well. And if you come over here, there is also the sleep feature, which also enables you to monitor your sleep. So there is the advanced sleep monitoring. You can go ahead and toggle this on and off if you want directly from the smartwatch. There is also the blood oxygen, which actually helps you to monitor your blood oxygen rate. If you go over here, you can also see we have the stress level monitoring, which actually enables you to monitor your stress. There is also the stats feature over here that basically just keeps up with your calories, your steps and your movement. And if you actually want to make improvements on your health and fitness life, this can actually help you to keep up with all of that. Now, coming out of the health and fitness feature, there is also other interesting things. So you can actually come over to apps over here. We have the recorder, which enables you to be able to record audios from your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Also, there is the music feature that allows you to be able to control playbacks from your device. There is also the alarm feature. You can go ahead and set alarms. The weather feature that helps you to keep track of your weather in your location, but then you have to also make sure you add your location to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. You can actually add your favorite contacts, which will enable you to be able to easily make calls. So once you add these, they will actually be saved to the contacts of your Redmi Watch 5 Active as well. And with that, you should also be able to make and receive calls without necessarily, having to call the numbers from your phone to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. If you go over to the system settings over here, you can go ahead and add widgets, which is actually on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you scroll over here, there is the option for you to add widgets. You can literally see the widgets I have over here. You can go ahead and customize them directly from over here. There is also the Alexa feature on the Redmi Watch 5 Active, but again, this is actually a feature that is only available in some regions. There is also the sleep mode, which can be very useful if you want to set reminders as to when you want to sleep or wake up with your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Coming out of this, there is also the security feature that allows you to be able to set password for your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you don't want anybody to just go to your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you can actually set a password, and it's actually going to lock the smartwatch until you enter your 6-digit PIN. There are also other interesting features you will get from the Redmi Watch 5 Active that are not actually on the app as well. So if you go over to the settings of your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you can actually go ahead and toggle on certain features like the sound and vibration. You can also adjust the display if you want, set your screen lock on that display. There is also the notification settings over here that you can actually just make sure you toggle this on if you want your screen to wake up whenever you receive notification. There is also the notify only when phone is locked option, and also the notify only when worn feature as well. Now, basically, those are some of the most interesting features of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.